everyone, I'm back again with another review. Today I'm going to review a product that I thought you guys would like to know about. I will be reviewing about the Banitint, which is from the Benefit Cosmetics. Banitint is a product of USA. It is a lip and cheek stain and it comes in two sizes. This one is 4 ml, it's the mini version, and the bigger one is 10 ml. It is a liquid rosy colored sheer blush. It works in all skin tones. It depends on your skin tone that you have to apply more or less of it. It gives a fresh glow to cheeks without making your face oily. Benetint is loved by makeup artists, celebrities, and women all over the world. Firstly, I would like to share with you guys that how I came across this product. Actually, I saw a very natural blush on one of my friend's cheeks. It was really giving a very natural and fresh look on her face. It actually stayed for a long time, which made me really curious. Then I asked her about the blush. I thought she would show me some palette. I got really surprised to see this tiny bottle. Just the day after that, I bought it. For all those details, keep watching the video. The bottle is very cute and tiny. It is made of clear glass. As you can see the quantity very clearly, and I have used half of it. The cap is white plastic. When you open it, you see a nail polish kind of a brush, which is very soft and works fine in applying the product. It has a very sweet scent. It smells of fresh rose petals or just like the rose water. It smells awesome. Let me apply it now and show you guys that how it blends on the skin. It has a very liquidy consistency. I like its color. You have to apply it with a brush, and if you don't blend it within a few seconds of application, it would dry and set forever on your face. You will end up with a funny looking application. You won't be able to fix it later. Even if you apply powder, blush, or apply more of the tint, you will end up looking like a clown. To use it, apply 3 drops to the apples of your cheeks, just how I did on my hand. Don't close the cap. First you have to blend the tint really fast with your fingers in a circular motion so that it doesn't dry out, and you will get a really nice and natural flush of color that won't be too dark. Close the cap later. You can add few more dots for deeper color. This liquid tint is very watery, so it can get messy on the face if you applied too much at once. It is nicely pigmented and absorbs well into the skin in a short amount of time, giving you a long-lasting rosy glow. My skin tone is fair. If I apply a little amount, as you can see here, it will be visible. If I want to go for a natural look, I apply a little amount. Otherwise, it is according to your skin tone and need. As it is a lip and cheek stain, so you can also apply it on lips. I'm not a lip stain person and would suggest that use it on your lips only when they're smooth, or you should moisturize your lips with a lip balm. It dries your lips, this is what I feel. If your lips are chapped, it will give a patchy look or uneven color to your lips. So I use it only as a cheek stain, which works awesome for me. If you want to apply it on your lips, just take the brush and apply it like any normal liquid lip color. Wait for 30 seconds to dry it. You can also apply lip balm after its application to avoid the dryness. If you want more shine, you can apply lip gloss on it. The tint stays on the lips even after eating. If there is one blush I would like to purchase every time, it would be this. This is the most long-lasting and most natural looking blush I have ever tried. I have used it in humid, rain, or you can say all sorts of weather. Especially it is a great stuff for humid weather. Holds strong even if you are sweating. It stays on your face throughout the day. It doesn't get removed with water. Since it is super long lasting, No matter how much you try to remove it with water, it goes off only when you use an oil-based makeup remover. I bought it from Sephora. You can get it easily from their stores or on their websites. The price is 64 Saudi riyals, which is very expensive. Although the size is very small, it goes a long way. It's called the travel size. I have used it a lot, but still half of the bottle is left. The bigger one is for 160 Saudi riyals. I would suggest you to buy the mini one. The texture is watery, so less amount is used. I would totally recommend it to you guys. I think it's a cool product and it is easy to use. I love the way it makes my face look fresh for a whole day. I hope you guys enjoyed my review. Make sure you give a thumbs up. If you have any questions regarding my video, do comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Wait for the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.